guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I have a quick review for you from, it's a lot of this going on, from YGHair. I have worked with YGHair I think like 3 times now, 2 or 3 times, I can't remember exactly, but they make some really nice wigs, you guys. So yeah, let me go ahead and tell you guys exactly what I'm wearing, how I feel about it, all the details, all that normal stuff that I do. Alright guys, so I am wearing their 360 lace front wig. It is body wave. I'm wearing Peruvian hair. The length is 20 inches and it's 150% density. So I will start off by saying the hair is nice. I like the wig simply because it's, again, it's kind of hot today in Houston in January. 150 density for this wig is perfect to me, so I don't feel like I have all this hair on my head. So as you guys saw in the beginning of the video, the hair does have a slight wave to it. I have worn this wig a few times now. I have washed this wig already, and I want to say the hair is not quite a body wave. To me, it's more like a beach wave, or I don't really know what kind of wave you would call it, but it's a really soft wave. With body wave, I expect that more of an S kind of curl to it, that S, that deep like S wave. You guys know what I'm trying to say. But this one I just kind of got like a little baby wave. As much as it did not like have the body wave to it, this hair is also very easy to straighten. If you are looking for something, maybe something with some texture to it, not a whole lot, something that you can do different styles with, this will probably be more ideal. So it does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with an adjustable strap. This wig fits my head just fine. I did have a hard time, however, getting the lace to stick to my forehead, the glue and all that kind of stuff. And I've worn their wigs before, so I don't know if it's just me or maybe this particular wig. I know in my last video that I did with YGHair, I had no problems with it, so I don't know. It is what it is. I'm just letting you guys know. So it does come with baby hair for you to get your baby hair swoops on. The baby hair was cool and it worked and all, but I would probably go back and pluck just a little bit of this hairline. It's not that it's too thick of a hairline, it's just, to me, I just didn't see that much of a gradual change, like a natural, you know, change from your hairline, from the edges going back to your hair, if you guys kind of understand what I'm trying to say. I have received very, very minimal tangling and shedding with this wig, which is which is awesome. I think that also goes with the density that you have, the length that you have, and the type of curl pattern as well. So the tighter your curls get, the longer the hair is, and the more fuller like your wig actually is, the more you're going to come in contact with the tangles and the shedding and all that kind of stuff. But with this hair, I have not received really any, and so that's probably why I've been wearing it, and it's just easy to wear. This is one of those wigs that it may not be that body wave that I expected, but it's going to be very easy for me to wear simply because I can kind of style it however I want to, and I can wear it straight or curly or whatever the case may be without really any problem. So other than that, you guys, I think that's pretty much it for this video. YGHair, you guys did a good job with this wig. If you guys have any questions or comments or anything like that, please let me know. Put them in the description box as always, and I will answer them as soon as possible. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we are almost at 50,000 subscribers and I'm super excited. And and don't forget to follow me at JMarie on Instagram. And I think that is it. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Adios.